Hello, welcome to Plus Bar. Today I'm in the train station in Lisbon, getting ready to head to Sintra, the UNESCO World Heritage Site. Hopefully we'll get to see some gardens there. Keep watching. So we're here in Sintra. It's a short day trip away from Lisbon and we've not been disappointed. There are definitely gardens. We're starting off in the Quinta da Regaleira, which I've probably said wrong. Let's have a little explore. I'm loving the flowers on this plant. Long cigar-shaped orange blooms with white tips to the petals. Vinca major lining the banks here. The moss-covered walls remind me a bit of Wales. There are lots of hidden stairs and routes to unknown places. It's like something out of The Hobbit. These little plants growing out the wall here are called pennywort, and they're actually edible. They have a little cucumber-like taste and very crunchy, nice in salads, but you have to be very sparing with them because, as you can see, not many of them grow and you don't want to take too many plants from the wild, but the odd leaf here and there is fine. It seems like there's a hidden grotto behind every corner. These little ferns growing out the side of this tree trunk are great. Just heading down into the initiation well. Get to the bottom of the well, there's a tunnel that takes you back out again. There's a massive bed here of lavenders and huge rosemary bushes. You'll have a pair of pots on either side of an entranceway. I love this stripy bromeliad here in this massive fern and the characterful people around the edges. Another beautiful camellia. Beautiful rhododendron with shocking pink flowers. The flowers on this plant are tiny, but they're like little stars all over it. The wonderful curved trunk of this tree fern leading up to the fountain is very impressive. This is how a Magnolia grandiflora is meant to look. I had one, but it never survived the winter with us. I really like this plant. I've heard it's been criticised for looking a little bit sick, the dots on it, but I like it that way. Definitely one I want to get for plus part. I wish my monstera looked like this. I love this mass of pink flowers hanging over the wall here. No idea what it is. If you have any idea, please put a note in the comments below and let me know. See if it has a smell. No, a bit disappointing on the smell front, but yeah, absolutely beautiful. Thank you for joining me as I've been exploring the gardens of Sintra. Please like and subscribe, and there'll be lots more videos to come. Bye for now.